Hey everyone, CJ here from Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be showing you how to install our Stage Series ditch light kit like you see here on this 2021 Honda Talon. Let's get started. Remove the hood by twisting both clamps clockwise and lifting on the four corners until it releases. For our ditch kit, if you have an aftermarket windshield that covers the A-pillar mount, you may need to remove it or adjust. With a trim removal tool or flathead screwdriver, remove 6 push clips. Next, we'll remove 4 10mm bolts, followed by 5 5mm Allen bolts and 2 plastic push clips. Starting on either side, use a 14 and 13mm socket to remove the top bolt. Slide the OEM bolt into the top hole from the inside, then remove the bottom bolt. Add the provided spacer to the OEM bolt still in place. Grab the A-pillar bracket for this side and slide the provided 14mm bolt into the bottom hole, followed by the spacer. Install the bracket into the bottom hole on the roll cage, then place the other provided 14mm bolt into the top hole of the bracket to push the OEM bolt out and retain the spacer. Secure using the OEM nuts, then use a bubble level to make sure the bracket stays level and adjust as needed. Repeat these steps on both sides. Now we're ready to assemble our SS3s. Drop the supplied nuts into the slots on the sides of the pod with a nylon ring facing the inside. Then, slide the universal bracket over the back of the pod and thread in our 5/32 Allen screws and washers, leaving them hand tight to save room for adjustment later. We can place our pod on the ditch platform and attach it using the included carriage bolt, washer, lock washer, and nut. Use a 13mm wrench to tighten until secure. Repeat these steps on both sides. At the bus bar, use a 10mm wrench to loosen the positive and negative connections and add the positive-negative connections from the ditch harness. For a better fit, use pliers to slightly bend the fork at the positive and negative leads. Route the DT leads under each cowl towards the pods, staying away from any hot or moving parts. Route the switch to the desired location, again staying away from any hot or moving parts. We'll be routing to the dash where there is an extra switch location available. Test for function. Since we are wired to the bus bar, the ignition will need to be on. With everything functioning properly, secure the relay and any loose wiring using zip ties and reverse the steps we use to take everything apart to put it back together. To make any final aiming adjustments, adjust the pod as needed and secure using a 5/32 Talon. As you can see, with our Stage Series ditch light kit installed, not only does it provide you with a custom off-road appearance, but you'll also have a significant amount of added light in front of your vehicle. In addition to the high output, our SS5 option comes with 8 selectable backlight colors you can easily cycle with the included toggle switch when the main beam isn't in use. If you're interested in picking up a Stage Series ditch light kit for your Honda Talon or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.